Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write blog posts and articles with Notion AI. So here how you can create a great Notion AI prompt for writing blog posts and articles. Here is step to write a prompt like specify the purpose, clearly mention the type of blog post title or article. So you will just also define the tone and style and decide if the article should be formal or professional. So I will just log into my Notion AI and I will just tab on it, help me write. So right now I will just give them command like write 1,000 word blog post on the topic how to stay motivated while working from home. Use a controversial tone, include actionable tips, and address challenges like distraction, burnout. Add a compelling introduction and conclusion. So if I just tab on it to generate, so but right now I will just run off out of free AI responses, and now it will says that get the Notion AI add-on. So I will just tap on it, get unlimited AI. So it says that you will just buy the subscription of monthly or annually, and then it will give me the unlimited Notion AI suggestions. But I will just tell you that in this way you can just use to create blog post right over here. And if I just tab on it again, chat in a corner. So if you want to create articles using Notion AI, you will also just give them command to like write an article explaining the benefits of adopting a plant-based diet, use a professional tone, and provide three main health benefits, two environmental advantages. So but right now I will not able to use this AI suggestion from Notion AI. But when you just create your account and you have to purchase the plan of Notion AI, and you will be just using Notion AI to create blog posts and articles with easily. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.